At the library.
Hello, Tom. Where are you going?
Hi, Anna. I'm going to the library.
The library. Do you have homework?
Yes, I have English homework. I need to read a book.
I see. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I like reading stories and short books.
That's good. I also go to the library after class.
Great. Let's go together.
Okay, let's study hard.
Listening script, environment.
The environment is very important for our life. We need clean air to breathe. We need clean water to drink. We need green trees to live a healthy life. Today, the environment has many problems. There is a lot of trash on the streets. The air is dirty because of cars and factories. Many people cut down trees. The forests become smaller. We must protect the environment. We can plant more trees. We can throw trash in the bin. We can use less plastic. We can save water. We can turn off the lights when we do not need them. If everyone helps, the world will be cleaner and more beautiful. A good environment is good for people. It is good for animals. And it is good for the future.